Very good morning to all my friends and delegates present here. I myself, Professor Dr. B.P. Panda, Director, Faculty of Homeopathy Science, Head of the Department, Organon of Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy. Today, I want to share with you the Bible of Homeopathy, the Organon of Medicine, its introduction. So, introduction of Organon of Medicine. Organon of Medicine is a book on medicine written by Samuel Hahnemann, the founder and father of homeopathy. It is written in the latter year of 18th century. This book contains the guiding principle of homeopathy. It can be defined as a scientific treatise to guide and properly communicate the nuance of homeopathic practice to his fellow physicians. Physicians, those who have thorough knowledge about the physics, about the art, about the science. It is a book contains the rules and regulations governs the practice of homeopathy. Organon teaches the artistic techniques of employing the law of similia to the physician. Then we need to discuss the precursors of Organon of Medicine, because without the precursors, the Organon of Medicine is not bear that much of importance. The books which exhibited Hahnemann's view on the different therapeutic treatments and homeopathic concept well before the publication of Organon. An essay on a new principle for ascertaining the curative power of drugs, published in 1796. The second one, that is Asclepius in Valence in 805. Then the third one, Medicine of Experience in 1805 AD. The fourth one, that is the important precursors of Organon of Medicine on the value of speculative system of medicine in 1808 AD. Observation of three current methods of treatments in 1808. The three current methods of treatment, specifically allopathy, antipathy and isopathy, which has been mentioned in the introductory part of Organon of Medicine. Then let us discuss the word meaning and origin of the word organon. Why Dr. Hahnemann keep the name organon, not the principle of homeopathic medicines? Because the word organon has been derived from a Greek word organum. Priorly, the word was used by Greek philosopher Aristotle between 384 to 322 BC in his book Organum. English philosopher and statesman Lord Francis Bacon 1561 to 1626 AD, title of the book Novum Organum, which means new instrument of knowledge. Second volume, Instauratio Magna, a book on inductive logic. Logic is the science of reasoning. Reasoning is the mind's eye. There are two types of logic are there. One is inductive logic and another is deductive logic. The influence of two personalities guide Hahnemann to keep the name of the book Organon of Medicine. The Organon word meaning is a simple literary work. Number 2, a method of scientific investigation. Number 3, instrument of knowledge, instrument of thought, system of logic. Number 4, according to Richard Hugh, an instrument for effecting the best manner a certain end. These are the different types of meaning of organon. That's why the meaning of organon of medicine can be compiled like this: the scientific investigation in the field of medicine. The style of writing of organon of medicine is slightly different from the modern style. Organon of medicine is written in aphoristic style, which was followed in Hahnemanian period. Aphorism is denoted by the symbol of double S. It can be compared with sloks as written in different Sanskrit books in Hindu mythology, Doha in Hindi and Ruvayan in Persian. Most of the aphorisms are supplemented by footnotes. A footnote is not an explanation but the further elaborated extension of the same matter. Dr. Bradford called organon the Bible of homeopathy. Then let us come to the editions of organon of medicine. There are 6 editions in organon of medicines. Present the continuous effort without changing the basic principle of homeopathy. The basic principle of homeopathy, that is similia similibus curanter, which means let like be treated by likes. This is not introduced by Hahnemann. This law was previously present, and the nature's law, that is similia similibus curanter, which means cures like cures. In each edition, the changing and additions was done without disturbing the ground plan. In the ground plan, the Hahnemann has introduced the detailed plan in which the book has been written. 5 editions were published during the author's lifetime. The manuscript was made ready by the master by 1842 AD, before his death. It was published only in December 1921 AD, in the year when Hahnemann was 78 years after his death. Hence, the 6th edition is called posthumous edition. This is the last improved edition ever been prepared by Hahnemann lifetime, but due to some financial problem and lack of publishers, it was published after the date. That's why it is called posthumous edition. Up-to-date edition published by Hahnemann, and some changes done which was not present in other editions. The new introduction, what has been done in the 6th edition of organon, that is the repetition of the medicine, which was not present previously. Hahnemann changed the vital force into vital principle, and the most important, that is introduction of 50 millisimal scale. The doctrine of drug dynamization was introduced in 5th edition. In 5th edition of organon, Dr. Hahnemann has mentioned about the centesimal scale. After that, the decimal scale was introduced by Hering, and in 50 millisimal, the 50 millisimal scale was introduced by Hahnemann in 6th edition of organon. That is the latest method. The utility of 50 millisimal scale is the homeopathic aggravation will be less. There is no problem of repetition of medicine, and though it is dynamically strong, so the homeopathic cure which will be takes place by using the 50 millisimal scale will be rapid, gentle, permanent, as it is mentioned in 2nd aphorism by Dr. Hahnemann, the highest ideal of cure. In homeopathic potentization, it has been written and it has been mentioned that following the principle, the quantity of the medicine it reduces but the quality increases. As the drug power of the 50 millisimal scale is more, that means the proportion of medicinal substance and the vehicle, that is 1 is to 50,000. Here the quantity is very less, almost it is not present, whereas the quality is good and it is more dynamic. So in each and every curable cases where the dynamic derangement of the vital force occurs, it can establish radical cure, rapid, gentle and permanent manner with complete restoration of the health. Thank you.